Okay, good. Super puppy, please don't mess this up. I'm recording. Well, guys, basically, I don't know how to change this thing, so I might have to keep this cat picture for a while. For those who are more a fan of dogs, please don't be offended. Dogs are awesome, but so are cats. We are all awesome. We can change the world now. Try eat you? Try not. So, who wants to have the daily staring contest? Dan, can you put your volume off?
Yeah.
I'm recording.
No!
Can you at least turn the TV down a bit?
No.
Oh, well, if I accidentally just said your name on, YouTube. Well, the name's Supercat. I go to an awesome school. It's awesome. So delicious. Don't judge me! Cat, don't judge! Why are you being mean to me? So, we'll have a daily staring contest in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ready? Go. Yeah, this is gonna be great. You get a blank yet? I can do this for 10 minutes if you want. Dun dun dun. Dun dun. Yeah, well, if you like it, stuff might go silent for a while. Okay? That doesn't mean I'm being kidnapped by ninjas and fighting them off one by one. Actually, it kind of does, so. Leave me be! I need to claw out their eyes. No thanks.
That's really weird. You're obnoxious.
Welcome, guys. I'm back. Jim was taking over for a bit. Why are my eyes awkward? Hey, you won. 5 minutes, you won.
So are you really going to post that on YouTube?
Yes. I'm recording right now, actually. I think that'll be funny. Oh, but the people in my school will watch it. I can guarantee it. Oh, by the way, if you blinked, you are now a kitten and not a cat anymore. You went down a rank. I blinked because I'm the captain of the cat army. Yeah, remember I got that from my Jerome. I don't know him at all, but I watch his videos. They're awesome. You should go check them out. Oh, besides Minecraft too. And Diamond Minecraft. And Stampy Long Nose. And Stampy Long Head. I forget which one is which. Oh, by the way, I don't know if I can throw in any parody songs, so I'm gonna probably be editing some things off. This video's almost been going for 5 minutes, and that's kind of nice. It's a long video. Lucky
Why isn't he recording?
What?
Why Why are you even gonna record over the phone?
I record because I'm majestic butter creature-ish. Yes, guy. Butter! Meow. Ah! That was getting really loud. Ah! On a scale of 1 to 10, that was a 6. I can go all the way up to an 8. Meow. By the way, I have a few recommended songs. Don't Mind at Night. Parodies. They're all parodies, of course. Don't Mind at Night. Revenge. What else? What else? Super Puppy, you have any recommended songs?
No.
Oh, darn it.
Super Puppy!
Oh, that's my dad. Right after this, I'm gonna try to ride on my bike. Vibrating. Dun 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 dun. I should have warned a lot. My attention is nowhere from you. It's just that the cat is eating the neighborhood dog. Yes, not me. I'm not the neighborhood cat. See. By the way, here's what I say about what does a fox say. Here's how I react. Tails, you keep on making sure to keep on doing that. I know that you say whatever the heck you want to say. Now, listen. What does a fox say? It's a good song too. Oh, and by the way, what does a cat say? The answer is, we say, here's what it is. Here's what we say. The truth be told. We say squid. And the slurps. Feed me, human. Well, guys, goodbye. This has been a long video. 7:12. Goodbye, cats and caddis. Goodbye. Have a good day. Make sure you don't spill your litter box fuel or whatever the heck it is. Why do humans even bring us litter boxes? There are slaves. Well, goodbye. That was loud, was it? Ha, ha, ha.
You can't put that on YouTube.
Oh, but I can.